treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Hyundai prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.